You name 6 eggs. You know what we can feed?
Have to cut it and go bake.
Alright, let me big them out.
Big
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Alright, so number 10, curfew memes. My word, my sentence. So burritos, oh my gosh, you must have heard the new Christmas Corona curfew times that the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, has put into place.
December 27th, therefore, the curfew hour will revert to 10 p.m. nightly.
Ooh.
I've been trying to keep my composure.
Including December 31st, 2020, which is New Year's Eve. On New Year's Day, January 1st, 2021, the curfew will commence at 7 p.m. and end at 5 a.m.
I'm so scared, man. I tremble.
Lord Jesus.
Ooh, wow. Oh my God, I did the scariest thing happened to me from week.
So people have a little more time for kind of move up and around in a little, little early settings for December. But when you see it come to the holiday part, like the little festive part when the party and the dance and the one bag of food eating and the round robin them take place, yeah, that boy, 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is what it is going to be for the New Year's, for the Boxing Day, for the Christmas, no party not gonna keep. And so Jamaican people have been reacting in different sort of ways. Some people just kind of vex. Some people I wonder how they're gonna manage for like, get extra food, especially with the little what you call it, man, before Christmas Day when they walk around and buy the clothes on my street side. I cannot remember the name of it, but burritos. Please to remind me in the comments and the live chat right now. But yeah, you have some people know who them take to social media now to kind of share how they will be avoiding the measures pre some of these viral memes.
That not gonna work.
Excuse me?
I don't know, burritos, but what do you think about it? Are you going to be staying in? Or you feel like you want bad and broke the curfew? Please do not do it. Sound off below. Number 9. Wow, Iki. Me room ring. Alright, so remember Candy Miss Can I Get a Wow? Yes, she is back at it again with this video showing off a little love mark where, our little new spooky give her. Take a look.
Let me alone live. You feel like me a man live?
Babe.
Man live. Me alone and my man come at times. And this morning put them in my neck.
Sticky.
You there? You think of Nicky?
That's sticky.
Or Ricky?
Yeah.
Or Ricky?
Yeah.
Blood this morning me and him a watch. You know what I watch?
High School Musical.
Me and him a read out blood clot this morning.
Oh my God.
So high me go.
Oh my God.
High me go.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Yes, Candy. You know what? Big up. Listen, it's nice to know that you have love in your life. I'm very happy for you. Just enjoy yourself, yeah, man. I have nothing to say right about now. Big up yourself. Wow. Promo time. All right, so burritos, you see, if you are looking for a realtor, let me introduce you to Heather. So if you need an expert to find tenants for your investment property or to sell property for you from a lot, studio, apartments, commercial property, farm, small, big housing development, all of them something there as long as it is in Jamaica, Heather is the realtor for you. She will cover any property from any of the 14 parishes in Jamaica. So her number is right here on the screen and you can call her, you can WhatsApp her and get the conversation going. So you see if you have property to sell, link Heather because she will make that sale much better. Woo!
Why couldn't they tell me that goat was an animal?
But did you tell whosoever was serving food that you're a vegetarian?
Yes. And I said I wanted curry goat. They gave me curry goat, and I went home, I ate the meat, I sucked the bones, and I thought that was fake bones.
You thought it was what kind of bone?
Fake bones.
Steak?
Something to be realistic. I didn't know they were real. I didn't know it was a real animal. I didn't know goat was even an animal. I thought it was a vegetable.
No, goat is an animal.
I've been a vegan for 28 years, and you guys ruined it for me.
Number 8, 6 eggs. My breakfast. Oh, geez, and Pim, this video now, I have to go and get into it. So, boy, oh boy. You know, the Jamaican thing is where parents, them kind of scamooging with the food, especially when you not contribute to the rent and the light and the water and the bills, them, and you know it go, them kind of watch you when you kind of eat the food. You can't really take out too much one time, especially when you have like siblings and when it's like it'll come closer to like, you know, the end of the month when they get paid and them just stress out.
This is some bullshit, Stephen. This can feed a whole family. And you're gonna eat this thing with 3 thing there. That is some Stephen. We can't support you no more. No. Get the to the house. Look on the and plate of egg. How much egg you fry? 6. 6. You name 6 egg. You know what we can feed by 6 egg? Huh? We can make a dinner for people. A big dinner for like a whole family. 6 eggs. That bacon. That come like 100 pieces of bacon. And you top it off with 3 egg. And you call that breakfast? No. No, this is it. Me not do this no more. No, Stephen, me can't do this no more. When you done your breakfast, move out. Me can't support you no more, Stephen. It not work.
Well then, no, honestly, like, the man never have to go so hard. The man never have to go so hard, but I know the burritos can relate to this. The burritos them who are mom. Have you ever reacted to your children, your hungry belly pitting them like this yet? And for the kids them on the live, like, I have to ask them, I don't go through them trauma here. This probably bring up holy part. Yeah, this trigger, no, it's trigger me right now. Cause 6 dumplings me used to want to eat and them things there, so yeah man. Number 7, UPT pronunciations. My word, my sentence, my toenail picklings. What? Alright, so this video now is from Instagram comedian Nigos, and he did this basically, you know, talking about how, you know, uptown people tend to articulate certain words. Take a look.
Yo, I got a question for uptown Jamaicans. Uptown Jamaicans, one of them grew up in the church gardens, in the Karachi, in the Beverly Hills, you know. Why only talk like that? Only can't talk regular patois? Eh? My name is Adrian. I say, Adrian. Call somebody named Jessica. Jessica, Ashley, Rebecca. Come now. Why only talk like that? Only can't talk regular patois? Uno frowns when regular Jamaican talk patois, and then uno talk one another type of English. What about that talk about? Uno name Jessica, uno name Ashley, uno name Rebecca. Call the people them name right, man, and use patois too. Uno shame. Yeah, the American people that say, oh, where you from? Oh, I'm Jamaican. You don't look Jamaican. You don't sound Jamaican. What do you mean by that? Them right. You call people Jessica and Ashley. You don't sound Jamaican. Come go up.
Now, man, this is a fact. As a matter of fact, in the comments, tag your uptown friend that you know speak like this. Do it right now. Alright, so burritos, let me tell you about this printing company in St. Thomas. Now, this burrito, you know, his wife reached out and linked me and said, yo, Berry, me have a special business for to talk about, you know, because you see, she said she have her husband and her husband very hard working, and him have a business by the name of Modern Ink Printers and Sports Supplies Limited, and it is right in St. Thomas. Them print everything from posters, banners, t-shirt, button, signs, flyers, business cards, ticket programs, and much more. So you see, if you're in St. Thomas, as a matter of fact, if you even pass by St. Thomas and you need the things them for print, make sure to say your link, Modern Ink Printers Limited. Okay, and you can contact them right here. So just go to them for all your printing needs, because you see with Modern Ink, when you think it, them print it. Oh, and your wife, someone must big you because you just celebrated your birthday on the 25th of November. But hope everything is alright. And you know, she said, must just express that she's so sorry that she could spend the time with you, because you look like she should really have planned for just, you know, like, you know, she really want, you know, carry it back to the owner. But I'm sure she should start out things when it needs to get started out, see? Alright. Number 6, Walking Mama. Alright, so this video now features a mature woman with what I guess is her granddaughter. And boy, she assure her granddaughter that she is whole but not cold. Take a look. Cause she a walking trophy. Whoa, she a walking trophy. Wow. What is the burrito? No, what was that? Jesus, no, what is right now? Jesus Pim, no, look, what is this? What is this? Do you Beltrini have? Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Anyway, burritos, let me know what you think about this grandma's moves. Sound off below. Number 5, Aunty Donna and Selonie. No, boy, oh boy, if you don't follow Aunty Donna life, them like, you miss out piece of life. Like, Aunty Donna is like Jamaican reality show, Jamaican soap opera. Like, I know it started off with the charity thing, but it passed that now. Like, Aunty Donna think they on another like a level. Just like, me don't know, me just a fast. Like, it's nice just to say, yo, me can all have conversation with my grandmother and them auntie them because as Miss Donna gone pan live, so I saw them tune in. She don't get nobody pan live like under 3,000 people, you know. Up here 6,000 now 20,000 people pan Aunty Donna live, you know. I tune into the little mix up and this when she give out the money, it's like a mouth and we just a water just to see when she hand out people money. Because we are dreaming for the day when somebody can just like push money in our hand just like that. Honestly, right now, if I want one pair of shoes, as soon as I find the Aunty Donna address, I go fair yard. Because me know say the minute I came, I just go up on you and say, yo, you need it. People want fine, I rush Ghana Felix and West Union to send the money to you. Like, I don't know how it works. Aunty Donna, like, honestly, she go pan live right through the day. I am surprised to find time for even bake. Because as daylight, Aunty Donna gone pan live. And you know who that did it? Me that. She could go pan live at 4:30 in the morning and see me, Please listen out for your names. So this video now is featuring one of these persons who are part of the program. And I guess people might say she's a little bit rebellious. Her name is Selonie. I saw hope I get it correctly. And she went live and then I got feature and she kind of said, "Pre."
More fine. Big up Diane. Big up yourself from over Portmore fine. Me have to cut the live because normal today. Have to cut it and go bake.
Alright, let me big them out.
Big up.
Big up put the Bobby now.
Come right here, sir. Big them up.
Big up on yourself. When I see how you make me look good, I look into the help the mad one. God put the best pussy for the mad dog.
Jesus Christ. Bye-bye, Planka.
Alright, okay. I kind of make the one that slip just because a part of the joke, so I'm gonna just make it slip. But yeah, I have nothing to say. Are you a big fan of Miss Donna's live? Let me hear you down below. And what do you think about Selonie? Sound off in the comments. Berry does. Big up yourself, Aunty Donna. We need to try one some our Christmas, our Nyambad pudding, you know. Like I actually should try it and do a mukbang with it. Like I really should. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Promo time! Here he! Burritos know it is time for me to tell you about the Western STEM Academy. Are you looking for an online school for your kids from 6 years old to 18 years of age? Well, Western STEM Academy is the school for you. And here's why. They provide quality online classes for students focusing on all subject areas. They have engaged and interactive full and part-time classes that the kids are bound to enjoy because they will be edutained. Okay, I know the pit them nowadays, you know, like can't bother the piano class them I feel learn the things them and still like get a little vibe from it like, yeah. So they also offer CXC and PEP practice sessions for students. As well as, you know, the parents, you can get a weekly checkup, an update by your students for kind of see if they really pay attention and do well in the classes. So please contact them right here. It is on the screen. Look at the information, screenshot it if you must. But at the end of the day, make sure so you get your kids enrolled with the Western STEM Academy. Cause no don't spot around here. No, you have to take up your education right now. Or no PS5. I mean say so. Number 4, airport prank. Alright, so, you know, somebody sent me this video on my IG and I was looking at it and I was like, wait, what go on? But when I kind of pre the levels, I realized, apparently these are YouTubers and it's a couple and apparently the woman play a prank on him, forgot it. So she pay for a ticket for him travel and when he reached there, she just pray. Yeah, wow.
Things I could have do for my fucking birthday, you carry man way at the airport and I come tell man about prank. I want me to tell you what?
Man, it's just a prank, smile.
Kerry, yo, you, the fuckery, a foolishness this.
I'm not telling a lie. What is that?
Kerry, yo, listen, a foolishness this. Kerry, stop video.
say, the man real good hairstyle. Eh? Me not tell a lie, my husband.
Kerry, stop ramp with me. Kerry, just stop ramp with me. You hear me? I tell you, leave me alone.
No, me not lie, me da war. Honestly, me feel like me da war for something like this. Me would have war for something like this because this, no man, this wicked. This actually different. This set up different. Like, me feel like, no, this is a personal vendetta you have against me. You have me acting a fool now. Well, go beard. Go clean out all my ears and my navel and them look something they run Ghana airport now. And go feel nice, say, yo, me just gonna get a all expense paid weekend, you know, and something like that. And nah, yeah. But the readers, let me know, how would you have reacted? You think you'd have found this funny? Or you'd have fully vex? Sound off in the comments. Alright, so readers, another promo time. Here he. I know this is about a YouTube channel that goes by the name of Alex Pro 920 TV. Now this channel focuses on an 11-year-old child of Jamaican heritage, and so him kind of half Jamaican, you know, half German, and his channel kind of focuses on like different food challenges, him doing interviews, and him just showing him day-to-day life vlogging.
Was geht ab und herzlich willkommen zu meinem Kanal Alex Pro 920 TV. Und today I have my brother back with me.
Hi guys.
Today we are going to be attempting to cook fried chicken. How do you cook fried chicken? How to fry fried chicken? And rice and peas. We're gonna make rice and peas. By the way,
and so mommy, big up yourself for supporting your child with his YouTube channel. Burritos, make sure say you go and subscribe, especially if you have kids who are around film age too. Make sure say make them subscribe and see if them can learn a little bit of the German too, and them can, you know, just like enjoy themselves in the middle of this pandemic. So okay, this is his channel right here. I'm going to put the thing up here so that you can, you know, click over and go and to watch some of the videos. Okay. Number 3, middle road proposal. My broomstick. Alright, so in the middle of this crazy year, things get crazier, and I just like that I saw this video with this man. I guess he is, you know, signaling to the love of his life that he has, you know, his serious intentions for her future. And you know, some people, they might have got Strawberry Hill, some people that go to like the place that they had their first romantic night, watching for hotel and all of these things. But this brother said, no, me meet you out in the road, in the street, and this I'm gonna support, I'm gonna propose to you, and take a look. I love this. I love them type of love here. Them love here is a data plan type of love. I love them look love here like them love here is a vox pop type of love. Them not separate themselves. Them love here is down to earth, right down to the gravel. Like this is them. We don't know. Like them something you want picture upon Titanic minus the money for afford the little ship, something like, you know. Like, listen. The only thing can beat that right now is a transport center or downtown in the market. One proposal at me right there. So we take the cake like. Right there, so somebody one of the burritos them do it right now. I'm giving you an idea. Okay, burritos, what you thought about this? You'd be okay with somebody propose to you in the middle of the road, in the middle of traffic, like this? Sound off below. Promo time! Here he. Alright, so burritos, I have this song that I'm going to introduce to you right now. So yes, burritos, I want you to check out this new song, and it is called Into You by an artist Chase and producers Mario C and Bang K.
Yeah, girl, this ain't what I normally do, but I was wondering if you knew. You look amazing, your body's blazing, and even the girls are looking at you. Girl, I'd rather make a fool of myself than to be cruel to my health. And even though you might want me to go, I still want you to know that ship you got.
Yes, burritos, a song have a vibe, it have a buzz. It have that, you know, that dancehall pop, what you call it, tropical dancehall. It have the little, like the little international type of little sound to it, where you're like, yeah man, we can't groove to this. It have a nice vibe, we can't two-step to this, we can't pull this up. So make sure you go up and swipe right here. So the song is currently out on Spotify, so make sure you go and check it out there, as well as to look at the lyric video. Number 2, voice note pitney. Mabulang peer. Alright, so I have nothing to say about boys. Sometimes kids say the darnest things even to their parents. Look on this.
Daddy, we need to give mommy money. Please she buy some snack for me. Cause tonight I got stress out again, make she carry a coat again. Well, I know she got carry a coat this time on me. Cause you're supposed to carry money from whole win. And you can't carry already. I left her if you go for work and wait till and wait your dick so long can't come.
Me not going to believe say it's not the mother that actually give this child the script. Like you can tell say the picnic hear the mother walk around the kitchen whole heap of time and I cuss off the father and I read the falter for filth to the point where the child know the script. The child not even have to act brand new. The child know exactly how need to talk to him father. Like boy, I don't know. It kind of look a little way cause boy that kind of rough hear my son talk to me like that. It would have kind of rough hear my daughter talk to me like that. But I guess my daughter just have to hold it. I do not know, but readers, what do you think about this video? One word to describe it. Sound off below. Alright, so readers, we have the final promo within the social media countdown, and it is all about Rain's computer repairs and accessories. Now them offer a variety of services. Basically, here what? For computer repairs, phone repairs, them sell computer, phone accessories, them offer customized design for flyers, t-shirt, printing, mugs, all kind of things. And they're located right at shop number 4, MJ Bingham Complex, Dunbar River, Savlamar, Westmoreland. You cannot miss it once a day in the area. Just ask them about Rain's computer. So this is them contact information. So call them right now, email them, ask them about them services, and tell them say Dutty to the Berry sent you. Okay?
Energy God let you know that you're watching Dutty Berry social media countdown. Oh na na yeah, come baby, come mama. Oh na na yeah.
And number 1 goes to Trinidad Funeral. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to the Trinidad Funeral that went viral all over social media. Everybody was hard talking about it. And if you did not know about it, then clearly you are one of the people living under Hey-Ha Rock. One of the rock them will have one bag of maggie and snail and frog and all kind of pests living there. You do not want to live there, burritos. So get into the know. But anyway, so let me just tell you about it right now. So some of you might have seen this video with this brother looking very swagged out, being chauffeured right around in the back of a Jeep. And that brother, you know, the song said, God is not dead, but he's alive. No, this is reverse, because this brother was very much R.I.P., but he was appearing as if he was very much in the living form. And so, yeah, this is a video. The body is there to kind of greet people, and you see the body sitting in an upright position. And apparently this brother was actually gunned down some weeks before that, and I guess this is a style that he would have kind of wanted to go out in. So yeah. Yeah, but this looked very festive, but also very fitting for a year like 2020, because we kind of get used to just seeing all kind of unexpected things. But I guess the owners and operators of the funeral home did do an interview now, and them sure say basically, yo, they might bring new things to the table. Them don't want the things the regular way. They are trying to incorporate some little fresh ideas to the funeral home type of space. Pre what them say.
Initially, it was a request from the family, and we went along with it. But our tagline for our funeral home is every life is unique, therefore every funeral should be unique. So we live up to that. We are a group of young people that are making a very different and a high impact in this funeral industry. We are qualified funeral directors and embalmers, and we are just showing off our talent in which we could do. Funeral is not something to be sad about. You know, we showcase the person as how they would have been alive, how you would have remembered them alive, and that is all we are doing here today by having the deceased sitting in this chair and being carried around into the community that he would have been in, and due to his unfortunate death.
Now you okay, seem like the youth them a try be innovative. You know, they might try, customize up the little thing and the offerings. And so I do not know what next is in store for these These people, man, you know, them got embalm and all kind of things and different new tricks and style. We don't know if you go see somebody in a, you know, like a flying a helicopter. We do not know if they're going to do some robotic moves with the ones in the future. Like, let's just see. But Burritos, would you be okay with attending a funeral where the body is being presented like this? Is it too weird? Would you want that for yourself? Sound out below. Let's talk about it, Burritos. Well, that is it. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button as well as to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Do not forget to share this video with your friends. Turn on the post notifications as well as to subscribe if you are new. Subscribe, my Burritos, man. Subscribe, man. Okay? And if you want to follow me on my social media, please do so at Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all over. It is at TheDuttyBerryShow. If you want to send me an email within my social media, if you want to send me an email for bookings or whatever promo in the social media countdown, please to do so at bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.